Hello everyone, Catherine Bowie here, Director of Education at Pure Financial Advisors. Welcome to our June newsletter featuring current topics, company profiles, and retirement tips. This month is our mid-year financial checkup to make sure you'll reach your retirement goals. Leading us off is Sumit Mehta with Is Your Retirement on Track? Next in the financial tip, Rob Lucente helps you assess your investment mix. The free guide this month is our DIY Retirement Guide. It's a great way to get started, so download it now. Next in Meet the Team, we have Chris Yaros, Senior Director of Operations at our San Diego headquarters. Chris is responsible for client relations, client services, and the data billing team. Education is a main focus here at Pure, so please join us for our webinar. Just click on the link to sign up. Be sure to catch our TV show, Your Money, Your Wealth on YouTube, and you may always listen to our podcast on the go. Ready to take charge of your financial future? Then take advantage of our no-cost, no-obligation assessment with a Pure financial professional. In this one-on-one meeting, we'll address your needs and concerns, then offer strategies to help achieve your retirement goals. Start planning for your financial future today.